अटैक से डर लगता है, एंजाइना से डर लगता है और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि एंजियोग्राफी में ज़्यादा प्रॉब्लम ना होकर केवल स्लो फ्लो निकलता है। एंजाइना एंड हार्ट अटैक बोथ आर सीरियस conditions, but when you do angiography you find only slow flow and ectasia, and such patients are actually not to be treated, not to be treated by stent. It will require only medical treatment, and that's why we are very hopeful that everything will be fine. So but we have to be careful because we have to do angiography in all such patients, and I will show you the images. Ek minute. I will show you the images because the images are important to show you how you have to perceive the angiographic images. So this is a case where you can see reverse में you have got left main sluggish flow, and then the flow you can get eye staining here because of ectasia and the left main itself, and the other views also show the same thing, but there is no atherosclerotic blockage, कोई atherosclerotic blockage नहीं है, and that is why, but there is stenosis here about 50% just before ectasia, and this is something which we have to watch actually over a period of time. There is a stenosis, the ostial of LAD, which is about 50%, and therefore there is no need to do stenting. But this patient can actually suffer from heart attack. Therefore, you have to be very, very careful to do a good procedure of medical angiography, coronary, and decide whether there is any need. And similarly, the rest of the coronary arteries, the right coronary artery is almost normal. We have taken several views, कई व्यू लिए हमने, just to be sure that we are not missing out. This is ectasia, and just before ectasia there is a stenosis. So these patients do not require angioplasty. Dr. Uttam Apollo Hospital, and now you can see the right coronary artery. Right coronary artery is absolutely normal actually. Right is absolutely normal. Animals are normal. So only medical treatment for ectasia and sluggish flow. Thank you, Dr. Uttam Apollo, 20th August to Dr. Uttam Apollo, 2025. Thank you.